I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna try recreate this makeup look that I wore in one of my videos, this hair video. I am filming this on another day since a lot of you like that look, so I thought why not film it. And my curls do look different, it's not the same. I didn't do my curls the same way, and I am filming in a different location, just in case you guys wonder why my hair location looks different compared to my intro. Also, just to let you know that this video will go up whilst I'm on holiday in Sri Lanka. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Insta so that you keep up to date with me. I'll be posting on Insta stories so you guys can see what I'm up to whilst I'm in Sri Lanka. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell bar so that you don't miss my future videos. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by applying a mask. I'm using the Glam Glow Gravity Firming Treatment Mask. It's the limited edition one, it's the My Little Pony one. I've already done my brows. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this. I'm going to move on to the eyes. For this look, I wasn't wearing eyeshadow. I just concealed my eyelids. Yeah, it's a really simple look. It's just like all about glowy skin. I'm taking this Fenty concealer in the shade 350 and I'm just going to prime my eyelids. And then go over that with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. No eyeshadow, so I'm just moving straight on to winged eyeliner. Oh my god, my hair is sticking onto my face. So the lashes I wore that day were these Pink River lashes in the type Crystal. They are kind of messed up. I think they are like on the last legs. So they don't look its best right now, but I'm just going to wear it just for the sake of the video because since a lot of you like that makeup look, I might as well wear the same lashes even though it's not looking its best at the moment. Just to let you guys know that in case you might think it looks weird. So before I apply that, I'm going to be coating my lashes with They Are Real mascara by Benefit. So I've put my lashes on and now my face, like I can't move my face at the moment. Okay, oops, it's all coming off. Okay, so I'm gonna peel off my mask. Right, so that bit didn't dry because I applied quite a thick layer on that area. I'm gonna take it off. Now I'm just going to spritz my face with BADESCU's cucumber and green tea facial spray. Oops, opened my mouth too soon. I'm just going to apply this Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash by Charlotte Tilbury. A nice little glow. And for foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 370. And then concealer, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 350. And then I'm going to set it in place with the Fenty setting powder in the shade Cashew. I'm gonna contour my face with Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. Get that chiseled face. Blush, I'm using MILANI's blush in the shade Bellissimo Bronze. So pretty, it's a baked blush. For highlight, I'm using Fenty Beauty's KILLAWATT highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. It's like a rose gold pretty one. And then I'm gonna line my lips with the usual NYX lip line in the shade Urban Cafe. Before I apply the gloss, I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick in the shade Bitch Perfect, just to get rid of that pigmentation on my lips. So I have a nice pink base, because my lips are quite pigmented. And then apply this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. So this is the finished look. Sorry, I feel like I got lip gloss on my teeth. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Hopefully my next video will be a Sri Lanka vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just in a